Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to disable autoplay for videos in the Viber app on your phone. If you find videos starting automatically and using your data or distracting you, this guide will help you take full control over media playback. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings to access your app's configuration options. In the Settings section, locate the Media option and tap on it. Then, look for the Autoplay Video option. You will see a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn off this switch to prevent videos from playing automatically when you receive them in chats. Finally, exit the Settings menu. From now on, videos in your Viber chats will not play automatically, giving you better control over your phone's data usage and a less distracting experience while using the app. Thank you for watching.